Put up a picture of your favorite emoji on your feed and you can also have a chance on winning this goodie box.
To give a big shout out once again to today's sponsor, OnePlus. I really like this phone.
Iets heel erg tofs met jullie delen, namelijk de Noord OnePlus C1.
इसके प्राइस में इतने सारे फीचर्स मिलना इज अमेजिंग.
I got a little more than you'd expect, a little more than you'd expect. I got fast charging on a quick connect, a little faster than you'd expect.
Now I got a little more than you'd expect, a little more than you'd expect.
And now I take good pics that I don't regret. Oh, I did a little clearer than you would expect. I got a lifetime that gets respect. Oh, and it's a little thing.
OnePlus Nord is a cool sub-brand of OnePlus, launched in 2020. It has been committed to sharing quality technology at affordable prices. And thank you so much for supporting. I hope you like this video. See you.